Hey buddy, I am Roy and now we will see the review of Red Boost dietary supplement. Many people fighting with deteriorating well-being often uses health supplements that claim to restore their well-being and revamp the health. However, not all supplements are designed equally, and it is necessary that you choose the right supplement for a healthy well-being. Red Boost is a new dietary supplement designed for men in their late middle ages. According to the official website, it boosts testosterone, which saves from hormonal imbalance and changes caused by them. Red Boost is the powerful blood support formula designed using herbs and extract that can restore the reproductive well-being. It is the all-natural formula that supports you to have a healthy circulation of blood across the body cells, and it aids you to achieve a healthy reproductive well-being. It comes in an easy-to-use capsular form, which is a very convenient option, plus the price seems very affordable. How does Red Boost work? The Red Boost blood flow support formula fixes key issues that older male bodies experience and plays an indirect role in maintaining hormonal health. Based on the information available on this supplement, it helps people experiencing the symptoms of low testosterone levels. Red Boost is all-natural formula that works using the potential of the herbs and extracts. The formula focuses on enhancing the cardiovascular well-being and increasing the nitric oxide levels. The formula aids in maximizing the nitric oxide level that helps in boosting the circulation of blood. The formula is enriched with multiple substances that work in conjunction to restore the blood flow, and it heightens the pumping of blood across vital organs of your body. What are the key points of Red Boost? Increases hormone. The formula helps in restoring the virility and vitality and maximizes the climaxes. It aids in increasing the hormonal balance in body that supports you to have a healthy performance. Balance blood circulation. The formula aids in increasing the blood circulation in the body cells. It aids in supplying the essential nutrients and oxygen to the body cells and helps you to have a stronger body and mind. It also enhances the cardiovascular well-being and aids you to have a healthy well-being without anxiety and stress. Red Boost benefits. The results of Red Boost pills are not limited to sexual health only. As it is made of natural ingredients, there are so many things it offers, and the best part is that you do not have to do much to get these benefits. Stronger erections and steamy sex life. The ingredients inside Red Boost improve blood flow toward the penile area, improving erections. They get longer, stronger, and better within a few months, and you end up with a pleasurable orgasm. Appetite control and reduced cravings. Many overweight people struggling with obesity. With age, the body loses appetite control, cravings, and digestive enzymes, but Red Boost helps manage all this. Its ingredients improve appetite, save from overeating, and help maintain weight. Stress management and energy balance. Some ingredients inside Red Boost actively work to lower stress, improving the stress response. They also improve energy levels, giving the body substantial energy to maintain its functions. Cardiovascular support. The Red Boost ingredients improve nitric oxide production, blood flow, and vascular structure, all of which contribute to cardiac health. It also provides oxygen and nutrient supply to all body parts, improving cellular function, rejuvenation, and damage repair. What are the ingredients inside Red Boost? Icarian or horny goatweed. The substance works to restore the energy levels and desires and also enhances body bed. Some studies reveal it relieves inflammation, saves from exhaustion, and prevents sexual dysfunction in men. Tongkat Ali. It improves testosterone production and prevents losing it by changing into DHT. Some studies reveal that Tongkat Ali can improve nitric oxide levels, stress, and semen quality. Fenugreek seed. It improves energy levels, semen quality, testosterone levels, libido, and fertility in men. Some studies show it also regulates sugar and cholesterol levels and provides various nutrients, fiber, and minerals to the body. L-citrulline. The ingredient in Red Boost pills that boosts nitric oxide is L-citrulline. It improves blood vessel structure and function by promoting vasodilation. It is a natural compound found in watermelon, cucumbers, and other foods. Nettle extract. It is the substance that works in enhancing the hormonal well-being. A herb with hormonal benefits for men. It improves testosterone levels, prostate health, and excretory function, all of which are compromised with age. Red Boost side effects. Is Red Boost safe? Or any side effects? The safety evaluation of any dietary supplement is mandatory because choosing the wrong product can cause long-term health damage. Many of these damages may be irreversible, so always choose trusted companies and safe products. The official website states that Red Boost is made with organic ingredients sourced from trusted vendors. The manufacturing takes place under the highest quality standards. There are no negative reviews on Red Boost, and the customers seem happy with their experience. No one has shared any bad thing or effect caused by it. What are the customers saying about Red Boost? A man's overall health and performance can be enhanced with Red Boost, a dietary supplement. The product is said to be made of pure natural ingredients. This product has been praised by many men, who have experienced its positive effects on their bodies and performance. Here are some testimonials from users. I've been using Red Boost for almost 2 months, and my performance has improved drastically. I'm pleased with the results. I've been using this supplement for 3 months now, and I can see a difference in how my body feels when I wake up in the morning. What are the daily doses of Red Boost? According to the official website, the monthly pack of Red Boost comprises of 60 capsules and users have to take 2 capsules daily with water. Users need to take 1 capsule in the morning and 1 in the evening with water at least 30 minutes before their bedroom activity. Where to buy Red Boost, pricing and discounts. Red Boost is only available online and purchased through the official website. There is no way you can get it from any random online or local store, including pharmacies. The company has a limited stock, and the orders are only accepted through the official website. Right now, it is available for $69 only, and this price decreases even more when you order 3 or more bottles. Read the following to get complete details on pricing after the discount. Get 1 bottle for $69, 30-day supply. Get 3 bottles for $177, 60-day supply. Get 6 bottles for $234, 180-day supply. Red Boost money-back policy. All orders of Red Boost are covered by a 180-day long money-back offer. Under this offer, the customers can check this product and choose to get a refund within 180 days of purchase. There are no questions asked, and the refund will be initiated shortly. Red Boost seems easy to maintain and protect testosterone levels during the late middle ages when the body starts losing its strength. Although aging is natural and normal, it does not mean everyone has to tolerate and suffer the consequences. With the help of dietary ingredients, lifestyle improvements, and a healthy diet, you can make old age less frustrating and disease-free. After watching the review video, if you wish to buy it, buy only from official website. Thank you for watching us.